Now we are going to discuss the interface, main menu, and CiiRUS icons. The interface is exactly how you're going to navigate through the system. Over here is what we call the top menu of CiiRUS. Once you click on a function within the top menu, let's click on reservations and quoting, for example. This submenu will then appear here on the left, which anything that pertains to reservation and quoting will appear here in the submenu. Over here, we have the property drop-down chooser. Now let's review the property drop-down chooser in detail. Here you can see a list of all of your properties, the owner's name, the property name, and the community. This window right here is a table, and it's essentially the foundation of the entire system. Every table within the software can be completely customized to whatever you would like to see as a user. So let's say, for example, you don't want to view the property name. What you can do to get rid of this column is drag it up until the X appears, and now you can remove that column completely from the table. To add new columns, you'll right-click on the column menu, select Column Chooser, and then the customization window will appear. The options for the table will appear here in this customization table. To add a new column, what you'll do is simply double-click. So let's say I want to view the full address for each property. I'll just double-click on address, and you can see it automatically appears in this table. Also, with every table within the software, you can sort it and filter it. So instead of going throughout the entire list, if you have multiple units in your account, what you can do is do a quick search. So I want to look for Audrey. In the owner column, you'll type in Audrey, and all of Audrey's properties will appear here. To get rid of the quick search, what you can do is simply backspace or click on the X here. You can also put your property listings in alphabetical order within the table. To do that, simply click on the column, and now it's placed it in order. Within the software, there are multiple shortcuts to complete a function. Let's review the shortcuts. Once you select a property in the property drop-down chooser, the owner's name will appear on the lower left side of the screen, as well as the CiiRUS-generated property ID. You can also see how many properties are in your account in total. Another shortcut, you select the property, and we're going to click on this icon. Once you click on the icon, you can view, at a glance, the owner information, brief property information, as well as images for the property. You can also access that window by pressing F7 on your keyboard. Once you select the property in the property chooser, you can also view the property listing exactly how it appears on your website. So instead of going to your home page, searching for the property, you'll just select the property with the property chooser, view on website, and there you go. You can view full descriptions, features, and images of that property. Another shortcut, if you click on your company logo, it will take you directly to the home page of your website. Okay, so now I'm going to make an important note for this training session. Whenever you make a change within the system, click on this save icon. That way, that change is reflected to all users within your account.